You're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you are going to reboot an iPhone. Sometimes you might be using your iPhone, or sometimes you might change your screen and you discover that your phone is frozen. The screen will be showing, but when you slide it, it doesn't respond. You try to move it, it doesn't respond. Most time it happens when you change your screen, or maybe sometimes your phone might have one or two issue, but there's no exact reason why such things happen, because it happens most of the time. So I'm going to be showing you how to fast reboot your phone, any iPhone, most especially any iPhone model. It doesn't matter, this particular trick easily works for all kinds of phone. Now this is the phone in which we're going to be using. We'll be using this XS Max to do this particular reboot, fast reboot. Once your phone is frozen, you just fast reboot it. Now the phone is on. Let's assume the phone is on and you're sliding it, it doesn't work. The next thing you just do is this: you tap the volume up, tap the volume down, then you hold the power switch for like close to 10 seconds or more. Now let's give it a try. This is how you do it. You tap the volume up, volume down, then hold the power and wait. You can see it's gone off. You can see it's rebooting by itself. This is how you do that. So instead of opening the phone to disconnect the battery and refix the battery, you don't need to do all that. You just do this volume up, volume down, then hold the power for like close to 5 seconds. You can see it's back, so now it's working. So this is one of the ways in which you can fast reboot any iPhone as fast as possible without dismantling or opening the phone. So this is what I have. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.